So ever since I gave in the other day and let her go out into the hallway, someone wants to keep going out. Yeah? Is that what you wanted? I also think part of it is she wants me to chase her. Let's see if she comes back if I don't chase her. Yeah, I'm right here. It's a big place. Lots of smells. Maybe I was wrong. Last time she ran back when I didn't go out after her. Maybe she is getting a little braver. It is about time to take her out, but it's just so cold. We'll start going out more often when it warms back up. Goosey goose. You gonna come back? So it's been about 20 minutes and she still hasn't come back. I propped the door open so that she could come back. Are you finally coming back, little girl? Or are you gonna walk right by me? Are you gonna come home? No? Yes? Maybe? There's scary sounds the other way. You gonna come home? Good girl. Welcome back.